So we're here at the Renton Mocha car show at the New Life Church. We're up on a
Yeah, when my T's are off, I like it not to be.
79 Trans Am?
That's right.
Awesome.
Crisping up the plastic.
You got a 79 T-top,
Yeah.
power
Trying to keep
windows,
it original, man.
power door locks, tilt steering, and it has air conditioning.
AC. It's got all the things.
Nice.
Tilt.
And it's even got a custom cup holder.
Those are from autos. The old school.
That's a must-add. Oh, and it's got four-wheel disc brakes.
The 8-track.
So this is a WS6 model.
That's right.
Nice.
Yeah.
Got every option on this one.
Yeah, the guy that owned it, the original owner, worked for Pontiac, so he had it all custom.
Oh.
Even the birds are custom.
This color?
The birds are custom.
I've never really
Yeah,
noticed this.
the birds only had, well, the blues had certain bird blues.
These look like the 10th anniversary birds.
Yeah, so he actually bought these, put them, and so that's why people always go, no, you switched the birds. I'm like, I didn't touch birds. You can tell. I mean, they're just on there.
Yeah, yeah. It's
No clear coat, no.
It's done.
Yeah.
Sweet car.
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
And I like your choice of music.
Thank you.
For this kind of car, that's what you need.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, I'll continue my search.
Quest around.
Yeah, I rode my bike up here.
Yeah. Huh?
You got a Chevrolet. I believe this is a 39 or a 40?
39.
39.
39, yeah.
Very nice. Very beautiful.
That's a 39.
Now this is a modern car, so we won't look at it. We got a California Special Mustang right here.
It's a high country special.
Or a High Country Special, which was Colorado, right?
Make sure he knows what it is.
Yeah. You fooled me. Right, because it doesn't say
Most people don't know
exactly.
what that is.
We've never met anyone who's ever seen one before. So
I've heard of them in a magazine, but I've never actually seen one.
same press.
That is very cool. Oh, and the best back end they had for the Mustangs right here.
You like Mustangs?
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah. Okay.
All muscle cars.
Yeah, I don't know if this is one of the muscle car.
Well, pony car.
29.
Nowadays it is.
Yeah, good enough. It's quick but not fast.
It sure does look nice. I always like these back ends the best
Mm-hmm.
for a coupe.
Yeah, it's got all the original, Shelby style, fiberglass and stuff.
Right. Did they come with these wheels or these Shelby wheels?
No, that's a add-on.
Okay. It's a very awesome car. Oh, and I like the steering wheel too.
Yeah, I've got the original.
Yeah, you want to make it comfortable to drive.
Yeah, I couldn't fit my legs underneath the original. That's a 14, the original's a 16.
Oh, yeah. Very nice. Oh, you got two of them here.
This is my dad's.
Oh, very nice. Beautiful day. Well, cool car. I learned something new.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, first time here?
I live across the street.
Okay.
I've been here a couple times.
Yeah, we're trying to,
My car doesn't have good enough paint to come back.
hey, that's all right.
But one of these days. Let's walk over here. It's Corey Hudson's car. I mean, the one he should buy. GT 350. Lots of social distancing going on.
No, this one. I have that.
A lot of the cars that were at the cruise Thursday night, Friday night, whatever night that was.
I can see your eyes.
87 Grand National Buick. It's got a turbo engine in it, factory. We got a 396 Chevelle. pace car Camaro. This is Mercury, hot rod. We got a Restomod Camaro, LT1 motor from the 90s. Got like a 37 Chevy, or 38. Bad. And then here, my show favorite, Rally Sport Z20A. 70 Charger RT means business here. 440. You got a 69 Barracuda.
But I do get a 74.
That is a stick shift. We do one walk up this way.
So he called me 3 days later.